Once upon a time, in a magnificent kingdom, there lived a princess named Amelia. Unlike other princesses who spent their days in royal palaces, Amelia had a deep love for nature and a passion for gardening. She adored the taste of fresh vegetables and dreamt of growing her own in the kingdom's lush backyard. With the help of her loyal gardeners, Amelia transformed a section of the backyard into a flourishing vegetable garden. Together, they tilled the soil, planted seeds, and nurtured the plants with love and care. Amelia learned about the different needs of each vegetable and delighted in watching them sprout and grow. As the days turned into weeks, the garden thrived under Amelia's tender touch. Soon, it became a vibrant oasis filled with a rainbow of vegetables. There were juicy red tomatoes, crisp green cucumbers, plump orange carrots, and leafy lettuces of various shades. The garden became a cornucopia of flavors and colors, fit for a royal feast. Amelia's kitchen garden became the talk of the kingdom. People marveled at the princess's dedication and the bountiful harvest she had grown with her own hands. The kingdom's cooks eagerly awaited the arrival of each new crop, excited to create delicious dishes using the freshest ingredients. Inspired by the success of her kitchen garden, Amelia decided to share her knowledge and passion with the kingdom's children. She invited them to the garden and taught them about the magic of planting seeds, nurturing plants, and harvesting vegetables. The children's eyes sparkled with wonder as they discovered the joy of growing their own food. As time went on, the kitchen garden became a place of gathering and celebration. The kingdom's people would come together to enjoy feasts made from the garden's abundance. The sweet aroma of roasted vegetables and the laughter of the community filled the air, creating a sense of togetherness and gratitude. Amelia's kitchen garden not only provided nourishment for the kingdom but also taught valuable lessons about self-sufficiency, sustainability, and the importance of connecting with nature. The princess's dedication and love for gardening inspired everyone to cultivate their own patches of greenery, transforming the kingdom into a haven of homegrown delights. And so, Princess Amelia's kitchen garden became a symbol of empowerment, growth, and the beauty that can bloom from even the smallest patch of earth. Her legacy lived on, inspiring generations to appreciate the simple joys of gardening, the flavors of freshly harvested vegetables, and the power of cultivating a sustainable future. The end. May the spirit of Princess Amelia's kitchen garden inspire you to plant seeds of possibility and cultivate a world filled with nourishment, connection, and natural abundance.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon. Thank you.